Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government bus driver jobs in Tamil Nadu. First, let's cover the eligibility. You generally need to be at least 24 years old, with a maximum age of 40 for general categories, extending to 45 for certain reserved groups. A 10th standard pass and the ability to read and write Tamil are crucial. Additionally, you must hold a heavy vehicle driving license with 18 months of experience. Physical standards, like a minimum height of 160 centimeters and 50 kilograms weight, are also important. Now, let's walk through the application process. You'll need to visit the official Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation website to find the application forms. Carefully fill out the online form, ensuring all your details are accurate. Remember to upload scanned copies of all required documents, such as your educational certificates and driving license. Finally, proceed to pay the application fee online. For general candidates, this is usually 1,180 rupees, while for SC/SD applicants, it's 590 rupees, both including 18% GST. Once your application is submitted, the selection process begins. This typically involves a multi-stage assessment. First, you'll likely face a written examination to test your general knowledge and aptitude. Following this, a crucial practical driving test will evaluate your proficiency in handling heavy vehicles. Successful candidates then proceed to an interview where your communication skills and overall suitability for the role are assessed. Finally, a thorough document verification process ensures all your submitted credentials are authentic and valid. To maximize your chances, here are some key tips and resources. Always keep an eye on the official Tamil Nadu State Transport Corporation website for the latest recruitment notifications and important updates. Thorough preparation for both the written exam and the practical driving test is essential. Make sure all your original documents are organized and readily available for the verification process. Lastly, pay close attention to all application deadlines. Missing them could mean missing out on a great opportunity to serve as a government bus driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.